Did you know a basic vitamin might reverse a common, often ignored indicator of kidney damage? Discover a dietary solution that safeguards and may even repair kidney damage. Maintaining kidney health is vital, but we often overlook silent dangers like proteinuria, an indicator of kidney dysfunction, where excess proteins are present in urine. This condition's subtle symptoms can go unnoticed, yet its health impact is significant. Today, we explore a breakthrough discovery connecting a common vitamin to preventing and treating proteinuria, offering a straightforward way to protect kidney health. Proteinuria signals kidney damage with excess protein in urine. Normally, kidneys filter blood, keeping vital proteins while removing waste. When kidneys are damaged, their filtering system fails, leading to the leakage of important proteins like albumin into the urine. This leakage isn't just a sign of current kidney damage. It could also lead to more severe kidney diseases if ignored. Proteinuria, stemming from conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, or kidney disease, is a major concern for maintaining kidney function and overall health. Protein in urine signals kidney inefficiency, which can harm kidney health and quality of life. Researchers have made a groundbreaking discovery amid growing concerns about kidney health and the search for effective treatments. A widely available vitamin has shown promise in halting proteinuria and restoring kidney health. This vitamin repairs kidney damage at the cellular level, enhancing filtration and retaining proteins in the bloodstream. This discovery offers hope to millions with kidney issues, promising significant implications.